What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a popular open-source, document-oriented database system. It falls under the category of NoSQL databases, which means it doesn't rely on the traditional tabular relations used in relational databases like SQL. Instead, MongoDB stores data in flexible, JSON-like documents with dynamic schemas, making it highly scalable and adaptable to evolving data structures. Key features of MongoDB include document-oriented. Data is stored in flexible JSON-like documents, which can vary in structure from one to another. High scalability. MongoDB is designed to handle large volumes of data and scale horizontally across multiple servers or clusters. Flexible data model. With MongoDB's dynamic schema, you can easily evolve your data model over time without needing to modify existing data. High performance. MongoDB's architecture is optimized for high performance, with features like indexing, sharding, and replication to ensure efficient data storage and retrieval. Rich query language. MongoDB supports a powerful query language that includes support for ad hoc queries, indexing, aggregation, and more. High availability. MongoDB provides built-in replication and automatic failover capabilities to ensure data availability and reliability. Ease of use. MongoDB is known for its ease of use, with a simple yet powerful API and comprehensive documentation. Overall, MongoDB is widely used in various applications, including web and mobile development, content management systems, real-time analytics, and more, due to its flexibility, scalability, and performance.